To convert a decimal number into binary, first we write the decimal number, then we put like this sign, division sign. We start dividing it by 2. In the rough section you can see it. First divide 250 by 2. From the division we can see that the quotient is 125. And the remainder is 0. Now the rule is to put this quotient the below of the original number. Just below the original number we put the quotient, and this remainder we put here following this line. Now next step is to divide the quotient we have got just now. Again divide that quotient by 2. This we have obtained. This quotient will again be divided by 2. So in the rough we can see this quotient becomes the dividend. This quotient becomes the dividend now, and it is divided by 2. By dividing by 2 we get the quotient as 62 and remainder as 1. This quotient is put here just below the previous quotient, and the remainder 1 is put following the line of 125. Now again this quotient becomes new dividend and is divided by 2. The new quotient is 31 and the remainder is 0. We put this 31 below the previous quotient. This was the previous quotient, this is the new quotient, and the remainder 0 following the line of 62. Now again this 31 quotient becomes the dividend, new dividend. It is again divided by 2. Quotient is 15, remainder is 1. So this 15 quotient is put here and the remainder 1 here. Again this 15 becomes the new dividend and divided by 2. The quotient is 7, the remainder is 1. 7 is put here, remainder 1 here. Again 7 will be divided by 2. Divided by 2. Quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Again this 3 will be divided by 2. Quotient will be 1, remainder 1. Quotient is 1, remainder is also 1. Now this 1 will be divided by 2. Now how to divide 1 by 2? This previous quotient now becomes new dividend 1 and is divided by 2. 2 zeros are 0. That we can write 2 zeros are 0. So the remainder becomes 1 and the quotient becomes 0. This quotient 0 we will put below the previous quotient, and the remainder is 1. Now when the quotient becomes 0, we will stop the entire process. We will stop this process of dividing by 2. This continuous process will stop when any quotient becomes 0. As this quotient has become 0, we stop this process. As the quotient has become 0, we stop this process. So the last remainder we have obtained is 1. This is the last remainder we have obtained. So we will mark it as MSB, most significant bit. And from MSB we will read the digits from MSB to LSB, that is from bottom to top. We'll read the digits and write it in that sequence. In that fashion we'll write, starting from here to here. So the 250, that is the decimal number with base 10, is equivalent to a binary number, that is 11111010. In this fashion we write, and we put it in brackets and give the base as 2.